right, we have one more game. It's a game called Typewriter.
All right.
Okay. So as a finale, we're going to pull out the typewriter from the museum. And so for some of you, typewriters are what came before word processors and computers and things like that. So people used to write on them. So we're going to create a story. And so I'm going to write a little bit. My actors are going to play a little bit, move the story along. We'll work together to build a story. We need from the sidelines a little quiet for a moment. This is serious, my friends. This is the serious part. Put the whipped cream down.
Don't make me come over there.
So what I need from the audience is, what type of story would you like me to write? I mean, a mystery? What genre? Romance? What?
Poetry. Poetry.
Well, it'll be prose of some sort. Maybe something might rhyme. I don't know. What type of poem? You know, if it's going to be a story, though, what type?
Western.
Western. One of my favorites. All right, a Western. Let's see. It was hot out on the range. Jim and his sidekick, Mary, were riding along to check the cattle.
Melly, we must check the cattle right now. They are all very hungry. And,
Frenchy.
Frenchy had been working on his French accent.
Frenchy. What are you smoking out here with these cattle? You're going to scare them to death.
you know, I've been working on that French accent for a long time. So I think I'm just going to stay in character and help you round up these cattle. So.
That sounds good. I see a lot of
A
problems out
stray
here.
cow approached
Whoa, 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 whoa.
and
Whoa,
mooed.
whoa, whoa.
Look at there. Give me your whelp.
Give me your what?
Give me your whelp.
My rock?
Give me the
Oh, yeah,
give me
here's
your
a
whelp.
rock.
Oh,
Go
thank
get
you.
him.
He'd been reading the French accent out of a French novel, and it didn't turn out really very well.
Tie that sucker up.
There. There you have it.
Mary decided that this cow needed a branding.
Well, let's go get him something on his butt there.
All right.
Put that triple C branch brand on him.
Wait a minute here. I'm from the SPCA, and that there is illegal. See, this little cow loves me. You put that thing away.
Well,
All
we
right.
got
Suddenly they decided, well, the SBA worker needed a brand too.
Hey, get that
Hey, hey, little cow, we gotta get out of here.
out. This all belongs to
Suddenly a shot rang out.
cow. Wow, did you hear that, Frenchy? Oh my word! Somebody shot our cow.
That's right. I
Oh,
don't think we.
I got one! Come on, come on!
Come on, Billy! Whoa, that's a great shot!
Wait a minute.
That's pretty good.
Wait a minute.
Hey, you are in a heap of trouble. I'm from the SPCA, and that's very cruel to kill a cow.
Aren't you two branding her?
Hey, we're gonna
Hey,
wait
get
here.
out of this.
Wait a minute.
This is our cow.
We
Oh,
belong.
we got a good!
How dare you shoot
Good
our cow?
job, Billy!
Wait.
Yeah!
You cannot take our cow.
We don't want it, we just shoot him and leave him!
Oh, quite.
Oh,
He's all good!
Thank God this thing's writing itself right now.
Next range! Next range!
Let's
You
take
poor
our cow.
little cow. We have to have a funeral service for him. We're gonna have to get a heck of a box for that.
Chapter 2. It was a dark and stormy night. the calf. We're huddled under each street lamp.
Billy, do you see it?
Oh, honey.
Oh, it's pretty dark out here, Paul.
Suddenly a shot rang out.
Oh. What was
Then
that?
Mary dropped to the ground.